Dancing in the rain, drops upon our skin. The world blurs around us, yet our voices ring out. Free souls without boundaries, renewing our thoughts, rekindling our light. Green meadows bloom, white all around us. Life awakens in this vibrant season. Dancing in the rain, where anything goes, feeling joy deep and loud. Tears may fall, yet we press on, hand in hand, through the rain, through life itself. Light within every drop, strength within every laugh. We let go of the burdens that yesterday wrought. Every moment holds hope, every day is a new start. With the sun in our hearts, that is our true purpose. Dancing in the rain, where anything goes, feeling joy deep and loud. Tears may fall, yet we press on, hand in hand, through the rain, through life itself. Dancing in the rain, with no end in sight.